right, welcome back to another week. We're getting ready to look at all the new inventory that's so new it's not yet available and won't become available until around noon on Monday. You can look out for that on Maple Motors' website, maplemotors.com. They update it every Monday around noon, so you can get more info on all these rides you're about to see. We've got a good variety this week, some you might expect and some you might not. Now, before we get started, I want to briefly address something that came up this past week. So, I had a few complaints about there being girls in the sneak peek videos, and I understand some people have their own reasons why they may not want to see that, and I respect that. So, I've decided I'm going to make two different versions of the sneak peek video. One is going to be the standard video I release every Sunday. It's just going to be cars, no girls. The alternate version is going to be released a day early, and it's also going to feature girls in the video. Only channel members will be able to see that. And to become a channel member, it's very easy. I'll give you a couple of different ways. Number one, you can scan this QR code on the screen. Click the link that pops up. That'll take you to the homepage where you click the join button and follow the instructions to become a channel member. I'm also going to put a link to it in the comments below so you can click on the link and again follow the same sign up instructions. So I think that's going to be a solution that will make everybody happy. You'll have the option to see girls in the video or not. It's up to you. Becoming a member is totally voluntary. You can cancel anytime for any reason. And as a channel member, you'll be notified on Saturday when I post the lot walks early. If you're a channel member, you'll get a notification, or you can go to my channel and click on posts and you'll see where I've posted the video early. So I hope that's a solution that works for everybody and avoids any complaints in the future. Back to the lot walk. We're going to start off on the front row where there's several new rides. First, we're taking a look at this 1965 Chevy Chevelle. It's priced at $32,900. Let's have a look at it. The next new ride here in Chevelle Row is this 1971 Chevy Chevelle. It's priced at $32,900. Let's take an exclusive first look. The next new ride on the lot we're looking at is this 1968 Chevy Chevelle. It's a 6-speed, and that's reflected in the price. It is $42,900, but man, it's a pretty sweet ride. Let's take a look at it. Here's a new ride. I haven't seen one of these on the lot in a minute. It's a 1973 Plymouth Duster. This one's priced at $21,900. Don't see these every day on the lot. Let's take a look at it. Coming up on the next new ride, these are few and far between on the lot. This one's a 1950 Chevy Business Coupe at a price point under 15 grand. Always like to see that. It's $14,900. Let's take a look at it. Right next door, another new ride, a 1955 Chevy 210, priced at $35,900. It's got the light blue white color scheme with the interior to match. Let's take a closer look. And last but not least, we got the classic 1965 Ford Mustang. It's priced at $27,900. And lastly, we're going to take a little peek into the showroom. As always, let me know which one was your favorite this week. I'm looking forward to all these test drives. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss all the new inventory. Whether you're a serious buyer or an enthusiast or something in between, you can get the first look at all the new inventory right here. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.